Are you letting your tokens sit idle, or are you making them work for you in the most powerful network of 2026? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are diving deep into a comprehensive staking guide for the TX ecosystem. I'm going to show you exactly how to maximize your yield and secure a steady stream of passive income using the latest DeFi strategies. Between our research at tokens.fi and the deep dives on coherencedaddy.com, we've mapped out the most efficient ways to grow your holdings this year. Understanding staking in the TX ecosystem. First, let's get the basics down. Staking in the TX ecosystem isn't just about locking up tokens, it's about securing the network. By committing your assets, you help validate transactions and maintain the integrity of the blockchain. In return, the network rewards you with new tokens, effectively creating a high-yield passive income stream. Unlike traditional savings, DeFi staking allows for much more flexibility and transparency. Step by step, how to start staking. Let's get practical. First, ensure your wallet is compatible with the TX ecosystem. Navigate to the official staking portal. If you've been following our updates on tokens.fi, you know the interface has been streamlined for 2026. Connect your wallet, select the amount of tokens you wish to stake, and confirm the transaction. Pay close attention to the lockup periods. Choosing the right duration is key to balancing liquidity and yield. Maximizing your yield and advanced tips. Now, let's talk about optimization. To truly maximize your yield, consider the compounding effect. By restaking your rewards back into the TX ecosystem, you increase your principal and accelerate your growth. For the developers and tech enthusiasts watching, check out the API integrations mentioned on coherencedaddy.com to automate your rewards collection. Always keep an eye on the current APY shifts to ensure you're in the most profitable pool. Risk mitigation and security. No guide is complete without talking about security. In the world of DeFi, your keys are your kingdom. Never share your seed phrase, and always use a hardware wallet for large holdings within the TX ecosystem. Understand the unbonding period. This is the time it takes to get your tokens back after you stop staking. Stay updated on the latest governance votes to ensure the ecosystem remains healthy and sustainable. We've covered how the TX ecosystem secures its network through staking. We walked through the setup process and the power of compounding rewards, and we emphasized the importance of security and risk management in 2026. Staking is the ultimate way to transition from a passive holder to an active participant in the future of blockchain. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve. Smash the like button if you're bullish on the TX ecosystem this year. Drop a comment below. Are you compounding your rewards or taking profits?